Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by importing the clip into the Reels editor. This gets you straight to work. Make sure the video is vertical and under platform limits. If not, trim now. Once imported, turn on auto captions when the option appears because they create a baseline you can edit. If auto captions are unavailable, create a transcript in Notes or a text file and prepare to paste lines. This first step saves time and prevents timing issues later, so don't skip it. Now you refine what appears on screen. You should split captions into bite-sized chunks so viewers can read while listening. Aim for 1 to 3 short lines per segment. Next, scrub the timeline and nudge each caption's start and end by tenths of a second so text matches the spoken syllables. This improves comprehension. Then apply readable styling, contrast, font size, and background. Once done, play back at real speed to confirm reading pace and make small timing tweaks. Finish by exporting the reel with captions embedded or by uploading an SRT if the platform accepts it. Embedding guarantees all viewers see subtitles. Then preview on a phone because mobile preview reveals legibility and sync issues you might miss on desktop. If captions drift or skip, first check frame rate mismatches between source and export, re-export, or retime captions accordingly. If text is cut off, adjust safe area or font size. This final pass prevents common delivery problems and ensures accessibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.